Scott County, Morgan County, until 8:30 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Winchester, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jacksonville, Winchester, Alexander, South Jacksonville, Waverly, Franklin, Murrayville, Woodson, Manchester, Oldie, Woodville, Prentice, Northville, and Jacksonville Municipal Airport. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 52 and